Hey guys, I am going to show you how to create an end-to-end voice agent from the moment we get the knowledge base all the way till we deploy it to a production ready phone number as well. So I'm going to do this tutorial in under 5 minutes, including the demo, and I'm only going to edit it once where I speed it up just because the agent's going to be creating. So I want to speed up that part. But we hit the 30-second mark now. I'm going to start recording and going to start creating the agent now. So we firstly go to create from new flow, create from business. We can go to an accountant. So I'm going to search an accountant nearby. SKD, we'll go here. We'll go to their website. Copy, paste, look up business. Takes a few seconds to do that. Awesome, we found it. Confirm, go to the voice selection. You can select any and there's a lot more on the platform. Generate. So while that's happening in the background, I'm going to purchase our phone number. So I'm going to go and buy a new phone number. We'll go Australia, but you can obviously buy from Canada or the US. We also give free phone numbers out to our plans as our white label plan, so you can claim up to 3 or 10 depending which plan you're on. Let's claim this one. Beautiful, that is done now. And obviously once the agent has been created in the background, we can attach it. So I'm just going to wait a few seconds while that happens. So this is probably the part where I'm going to speed it up. So yeah, here we're going to go back. We're going to go to the phone section again. We've got our phone number here. We're going to attach the agent. SDK appointment accountant, sorry. Save the configuration. We'll then go back to home since the phone agent is connected now. But the last thing we need to do is we need to scan this QR code. So the idea behind this QR code is, actually we'll change the default flow. So we'll go back to SKD, that with the specific number that we just bought. We want to be able to get the agent attached to our existing phone number. We don't want the agent just to sit on a new phone number because most businesses won't want to change their existing phone number because of marketing. It's already on their Google ads, whatever. So all we're going to do is find my provider. So I'm with Optus. Let's go to Optus here. Awesome. And this is the QR code I'm going to scan. So I'm going to scan this QR code with my phone. And I'm going to press call. So then it should say success. Beautiful. So it's now said successful. And now I will make an outbound call to myself. So I'm going to make a single call. I'm going to then select the agent. So this outbound agent here. I'm going to put my phone number in here. And I'm going to press call. Actually, before I do that, I'm actually going to change our agent to we're going to change it to Grok real time just because I like that model a lot better. It's the first speech to speech model. So I've got about a minute left now. I'm going to go back into single call, select the agent and put it through now. 4, 3. Beautiful, it's come up now, which is great.
Thank you for calling SKD Accountants. How can I help you today?
Hello, how's it going?
Great, thanks. How can I help you with your accounting or tax needs today?
I'm just wondering what you guys do.
We specialize in accounting, tax planning, and bookkeeping for businesses, individuals, and high net worth families. That includes financial reporting, business advisory, superannuation, and services like zero setup and tax returns. What accounting or tax services are you interested in today?
I just want to get a personal tax return done. Can I do that?
Yes, we can definitely help with personal tax returns. Are you an individual, a business, or a high net worth family?
I'm a high worth family, I guess.
Got it, thanks. Could you briefly describe your current financial situation or the scope of the project you need assistance with?
It's a big tax return that I haven't done for a couple years.
Thanks for sharing that. Do you have any specific deadlines or urgent tax matters we should be aware of?
Probably done as soon as possible, just because I don't want to get to the ATO.
Understood. We'll prioritize that. What date works best for you for an appointment?
I'm going to hang up the phone there, but sort of get the idea is that from end to end, I've been able to produce it based on a certain website that I found at random, all the way to get it to be doing intake questions for myself. And obviously, you can go in here and edit the intake questions too. So they're completely based off what's here at the moment. So yeah, that's an end-to-end voice agent, all under 5 minutes, and half of it is just me explaining it too. So that's it for this tutorial. But yeah, thank you.